everyone, welcome to Glam Forever. If you are new here, I am Anshi Gupta. Pampering your skin start with taking care of it. And the first step in skincare is cleansing with a good face wash, of course. And there are too many varieties of face wash available in the market. Make it difficult to choose the right one for your skin. Don't worry, I made this easy for you. In this video, you will find best cleanser or face wash for your skin type. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and keep watching. We are starting from dry skin. For dry skin, first is Neutrogena Ultra Gentle Hydrating Cleanser. It has creamy texture, fragrance free, and glycerin based, and it is a dermatologist favorite. While it does cleanse your skin but doesn't strip out natural oil that is required for dry skin, so this is the one of the best face wash for dry skin. So second is Biotic Bio Honey Gel Refreshing Foaming Face Wash. This fresh foaming 100% soft free gel based and with pure honey and with extract of the bark of Arjun tree and with vitamin. It is best for dry skin. It dissolves makeup and impurities from your skin and softens your skin. It goes from dry and combination skin. So next we come to oily skin, and my first favorite is Paula's Choice Pore Normalizing Cleanser. It fights with acne without drying your face. It has salicylic acid that dissolve impurities to help prevent acne, breakouts, blackheads and redness. This face wash gently remove makeup, impurities and breakouts and excess oil. So the second one is Neutrogena Oil Free Acne Wash. No matter what your issue is, this blemish busting face wash is the solution. It has also a salicylic acid, the best acne fighting ingredients out there, and it also known as dissolving impurities and clean your skin and breakouts at the base. It goes on oily and combination skin both. We have for acne prone skin. It is a Cetaphil Pro Derma foam wash. If you have acne prone skin, this face wash is for you. It has innovative zinc formula and hypoallergic and non-comedogenic. It won't irritate your skin and clog pores. It removes excess oil from your skin without stripping your natural oil, without drying it. Now it's time for a sensitive skin. For sensitive skin, we have Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. It's impossible to talk about all the star cleanser without talking about this Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. It is the most favorite, most dermatological favorite, is racking up award wins. This is super gentle lotion-like formula. It removes all dirt and impurities without stripping oil and without drying your face. It cleans your face like gentle. This skin, it's for skin coddling goodness, and the main part about it is it's for every skin type. You have a dry sensitive, yeah, oily sensitive, or whatever it is. You can use any skin type. Now we talked about all the best market products, but if you don't want to rely on them and sometimes you want home cleanser, so I have one ingredient for you. It's gram flour. Gram flour is the one of the best ingredients that cleans your skin with goodness. Besan or gram flour, it has amazing benefit of cleansing your skin. If you have dry skin, mix with curd, and if you have oily skin, mix with rose water, and done. Your homemade cleanser is ready to apply. Gram flour and besan has some amazing benefits for your skin, which is why it can be a great replacement of your regular soaps, face washes and cleanser. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any face wash recommendation that suits your skin, so please let me know in the comment section, and make sure you subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any updates. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay happy, stay glam. Bye bye.